Okay, guys, how to do Paso Doble. So technical details which you can apply to every walk you do. So let's start like this. So Marilyn, bend your leg. Uh, Standing leg bent, free leg is pointed forward, straight leg. Now from here, man has to take as wide position as possible. Now the principle is her belly button gonna go in, but same time her hips and her arms will push forward. So she will have this pushing feeling. And I here do exactly the same. My belly button go a little bit in, and my hips and arms going forward toward her. So take a look. Boom, boom. So we have now that breathing feel inside our couple. In this position, she will travel, walk, walk, walk here. She will go up. And as I turn her, I ground her, position her down, and make sure you have that very big circle here in your couple. And here, always check that breathing where your tummy goes in, arms pushing forward and hips pushing forward. This position. And now you lead her around, walk, walk, walk up, down. And here also for this arm, there is a sense of pressing to her away from your own tummy and hips forward. Walk, 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 and walk, 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 and walk, 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 and. So this small movement has all the techniques you need to know for Paso Doble. Good job. Another 10,000 views.